Now, ito naman. Itong problem na to, galing yan sa, anong tawag dito? Galing sa midterms ng CC2 sa batch ko. So, this is a famous problem sa CITU. Lalo na kapag 4th year ka na. Now, the bar AB daw is supported by a frictionless inclined surface at A and a 7/8 inch diameter pin at B. So, naka-double shear daw. Determine the shear stress in the pin when the vertical 2,000 pound force is applied. Neglect the weight of the bar. So, assume this as weightless and then this is an applied force, 2,000 pounds. Now, ano yung approach natin dyan? This is a frictionless inclined surface daw. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong normal force. Maglalabasan yan. This is perpendicular to the surface. Ayan, perpendicular yan. Lagay na lang natin. For a while. Ayan, perpendicular. Now, label ko yan as NA. N sub A. And then what we can do here is we can form this triangle. Ayan. Gawin na lang natin yan, broken line. Ayan. Tapos, yung NA, this is inclined. So, meron siyang components. Now, para madali yung angles, you can draw a vertical line here. Ayan. So, kapag 30 degrees yan, di ba, we can form this triangle. So, if this is 30 degrees, then ano yung angle na yan? I hope agree lang na this is 60 degrees. Di ba? Lagay ko na lang din yung 30. Now, kapag 60 degrees yan, this is perpendicular to the surface. Diba? So, yung angle na yan, it must equal 90 degrees. Therefore pala, 90 minus 60, this is 30 degrees with respect to the vertical. So, yan na yung angle natin. Ayan. So, yung NA, meron siyang vertical and horizontal components. So, merong vertical component acting upward. Tapos, meron ding vertical component acting to the right. Now, ito na yung reference angle. If this is our reference angle, ito yung adjacent side. So, this would be NA adjacent cosine 30 degrees. Tapos ito naman yung opposite side. This one. Kapag mag-draw ka ng triangle dyan, parallel to this line, yan yung opposite side. Therefore, this is NA. Tapos sine 30. Ayan. Now, kinumponent natin yung force so that we can take moments about this point. Yan, sa point B. Kasi yung NA, isang unknown lang yan. So, makukuha na natin yan. So, summation of moments na lang about point B. We would have NA cosine 30 muna. This will cause a clockwise rotation about point B. Pag hawakan mo yan, and then you will apply this force, clockwise yung ikot. And then, ano yung moment arm natin? Our moment arm is this length. Now, alam natin yung length ng bar. 10 feet in total. Now, 10 degrees yung inclination from the horizontal. This is the adjacent side. So, this would be 10 cosine 10 degrees. I hope agree lang. And then, yung vertical distance naman, this is 10 sine of 10 degrees. So, kapag NA cosine 30, ito yung moment arm. 10 cosine 10 going to be, multiply natin yan. Now, kulayan ko na lang. Ito yung force, mga naka-yellow, and then moment arm naman yung naka-pink. Ayan. And then, ano pa? Clockwise yung rotation niya. Ito naman, pag hawakan mo yan, and then you will apply this force, counterclockwise yung ikot. So, we have to use minus. Minus NA sine 30. Tapos, multiplied by 10 sine 10. So, again, force. Tapos, ito yung moment arm. Ayan. And then, ano pa? Meron pa tayong applied force. So, yung rotation na makukos niya is counterclockwise, 2,000. Then, our moment arm would be this value. Diba, sa gitna yan. Nahati kasi yung 10 feet. So, kapag nasa gitna yan, then this would be half of 10 cosine 10. Yang distance na yan. Bale, 5 cosine 10 na lang. I hope agree lang. Dinivide lang natin yan by 2. So, 5 cosine 10. Force pa rin yan. Force tapos perpendicular distance. And then, equate na natin yan to 0. So, solving NA, we would have x cosine 30 times 10 cosine 10 and then minus x sine 30 times 10 sine 10 minus 2,000 multiplied by 5 cosine 10 equate to 0. Solving NA, this is 1285.58. And then this is in pounds. Now, alam na natin yung NA, masusolve na rin natin yung BX saka BY. So, di ba, meron tayong reactions dyan. Sabihin natin, this is BY, ito naman, BX. Now, summing up forces along X, we would have NA sine 30 and then minus BX, this one, equal 0. But alam na natin yung NA. NA is 1285.58. So, BX pala is this value, then sine 30. So, 642.79. Pounds din. And then, summing up forces along Y, we can obtain BY. So, this is now, ano yung NA? Diba? 1285.58. Then, cosine 30. Yan yung vertical component going upward. Tapos, minus 2,000. Downward kasi yan. Then, plus BY. Equate natin to 0. So, solving BY, this would be 2,000 minus 1285.58 cosine 30, which is 886.66. Tapos naka-pounds din. Now, shear stress in the pin daw at B. So, kapag shear stress, again, yung dadalhin niya na shear force is the resultant force of Bx and By. So, shear stress equals square root of 642.79 squared plus 886.66 naka-square din and then this is in pounds divided by the area, naka-double shear, so times 2, then pi over 4, the diameter is 7/8, this one, and inches na yan, tapos squared. So, square root of 642.79 plus 886.66 divided by 2 times pi over 4 multiplied by 7/8 tapos naka-square. So, 910.62. And then, pounds yan. Ito, naka-inches squared. Ayan. So, this is PSI. Pounds per square inch.